Before we begin, imagine turning the key and hearing an engine that represents more than 60 years of pure American muscle. Now imagine that legend reborn for the modern era. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang. And it might just be the most complete Mustang ever made. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Mustang demands attention. The long hood, wide stance, and aggressive front fascia instantly remind you that this is still a true muscle car. But the sharper lines and modern lighting tell you it's built for today. New color options add personality. Whether you prefer something bold and loud, or clean and classic, every angle feels intentional. From the sculpted sides to the unmistakable tri-bar taillights that glow with pure Mustang heritage. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The cabin feels more like a modern performance cockpit than a traditional muscle car interior. A wide digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless setup. It's fast, smooth, and fully customizable, allowing you to change layouts depending on your driving mode. Whether you want performance data, navigation, or entertainment, everything is right where your eyes naturally go. Despite all the technology, it still feels driver-focused, not overwhelming. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang offers multiple personalities. The EcoBoost model uses a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers strong acceleration while staying relatively fuel. It's perfect for daily driving while still offering that sporty Mustang feel. Step up to the GT models, and that's where the magic really happens. The legendary 5.0-liter V8 delivers powerful acceleration, a deep exhaust note, and the kind of raw performance that made the Mustang famous. Press the throttle and the car responds instantly, pulling hard and sounding even better as the revs climb. For those who want the ultimate experience, the Dark Horse Edition takes performance to another level. With increased horsepower, track-focused tuning, and aggressive styling, it's built for drivers who want serious speed without sacrificing street usability. This isn't just about straight-line power either. The 2026 Mustang handles better than ever thanks to improved suspension tuning, independent rear suspension, and selectable drive modes that adjust steering, throttle response, and exhaust sound. Behind the wheel, the Mustang feels confident and planted. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking a winding road, the steering feels precise, the chassis stays composed, and the brakes inspire confidence. It's a car that rewards skill but doesn't punish beginners, making it enjoyable for a wide range of drivers. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. Supportive seats, quality materials, and smart interior layout make long drives easy and enjoyable. Available features like premium audio, wireless smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems bring modern convenience into a car that still values driving excitement. One of the Mustang's biggest strengths is choice: coupe or convertible, turbocharged or V8, daily cruiser or track-ready monster. The 2026 Mustang lets you build the car that fits your lifestyle. Few cars on the market offer this level of customization while still staying true to their identity. In the end, the 2026 Ford Mustang proves that muscle cars don't have to fade away in a modern world. It blends heritage with technology, power with control, and excitement with everyday usability. Whether you're a lifelong Mustang fan or someone considering one for the first time, this car delivers an experience that's hard to match. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which Mustang version you'd choose, GT or Dark Horse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.